firstly, it's not that we recognize each other as equally human, it's that we recognize as equally capable of suffering. And that's why the boundary of our species shouldn't be the boundary of moral concern. Now, in your remarks about the fact that gorillas don't follow these principles, you're confusing the issue of who is a moral agent and who is a subject of moral concern, you might say a moral patient. Of course, you have to have a certain level of cognitive capacity or rationality to be a moral agent. And that's why a human child of a year old is not a moral agent, and a human with severe brain damage may not be a moral agent either. But they are still moral patients. That is, it still matters how we treat them because they're capable of suffering. It's in the capacity to suffer that I believe that we're equal. And if you ask what's the moral foundation of that, it's what I said before in talking about Jefferson. It's our capacity to put ourselves in the position of those beings and to say, how would I like it if I were like them? And answer, I wouldn't. And that, incidentally, is not specifically a Christian. You've recognized the golden rule, of course, but that's not specifically a Christian, nor even a Judeo-Christian precept, but one that you find in many other cultures. In fact, I would say in every culture with a developed ethical tradition.